All right, that's my red, white, and blue M&Ms in my greased muffin tin. We're gonna place that to the side and bring in our large bowl and our large whisk. And we're gonna start off with our dark chocolate fudge brownie mix. You can use whatever brownie mix you prefer. You can even do a homemade brownie here. But we're gonna show you a super easy way to upgrade your brownies to make them taste 10 times better. And of course we have our red, white, and blue flair that we're gonna add to it as well. So once we have that 1 box of brownie mix in there, we're gonna add 1 stick of melted butter. So instead of vegetable oil, we're using melted butter because it gives a richer flavor. And speaking of richer flavor, instead of water, we are gonna add 1/2 cup of coffee. You could do espresso and you will not taste the coffee. It just enhances the chocolate flavor. I have never tasted the coffee in my brownies when I've done this trick. Last thing we're gonna keep it to the recipe. We're gonna add 1 egg right in there. And then it is time to mix this up. Now you wanna make sure that your coffee isn't too hot so that your egg doesn't get scrambled, but this is gonna come together super quick and it's gonna taste even better than your standard box brownies. All right, now that looks beautifully mixed. It is time to add this to our muffin tin. Let's go ahead and bring that back. And I'm just gonna grab my cookie scoop and we are gonna scoop our brownie batter right onto our M&Ms just like so. Make sure that those M&Ms get fully covered by our brownie mix. This is the family size brownie mix, so it should make a dozen little brownie cupcakes. So I'm gonna quickly get each cupcake filled up, just like so. Okay, that looks perfect. Now our bottoms are nice and patriotic, so now we have to do something to the top to make it extra special and festive. So we have our Pillsbury little American flag cookies, and these support the military families, which makes it even better. And we're just gonna add 1 cookie right on top so we make a delicious little brookie that is both yummy and festive. These are great for Memorial Day, or they're great for 4th of July. I celebrate both, so I am making these for the next couple of months because they are gonna be so good. But let's quickly just get our little cookies right on top, just like so, and then get these in the oven so we can start eating. Beautiful. All right, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna be in there for about 25 to 30 minutes. All right, these are done. We did let them sit for about 10 minutes, but let's go ahead and pop one out. Just gonna run my plastic knife along the edges so we don't ruin our pan. And this comes right out. And look at that fun little bottom with all those colors, red, white, and blue. Talk about patriotic. All right, let's get, I think like 2 more, because I'm pretty hungry. Haven't had lunch yet, so dessert first, right?
Yeah, dessert first is always a good call.
Yummy, that one looks super cute. Ooh, I cannot wait to try these. You can eat it with some Ready Whip. You can eat it with some ice cream. I'm gonna eat it as is.
Is it good?
That is so good, so cute. You have to try it.